All right, Mickey. So you've gotten a couple phone calls in the last month from customers saying, hey, I want your bike. And so this is your bike, right? This is what,
Yes.
a 24 CVO ST?
No, I have a 25.
25
Let's get it
CVO
right.
ST.
I had to save my money through 24 to be able to buy it.
And so you already did it twice, because here's the same exact bike, pretty damn close. And if you look closely, it's the Bassani, the front end. Oh, and there's the third one. This guy went with the S&S. So for all those people who are wondering, Mickey, what are all the parts? If they want a Mickey Cohen bike, what do they got to buy? And we're gonna
a total replica of this bike. This one is not a total replica because he doesn't have the motor. But these two, there's one more somewhere else, but I don't know where it's at. These ones got 135-inch motors in them.
Okay.
Massaged 135-inch motors in them. Now basically, you start with like the Ohlins rear shocks. No, I'd probably go. Yeah, you could start there. It's like $1,800. It's a hell of an improvement. The ST comes with pretty good shocks. These are the next step up.
But Mickey Cohen doesn't ride anything but Ohlins.
No, not really.
Not really.
Not really.
And okay.
You're gonna spend the money. Just spend the money.
And so what else? What else?
So number one, I can tell you when I bought the thing, the handlebars were terrible, the windshield was terrible, and the floorboards were for guys that have little tiny feet. I wear a 14 shoe. They didn't fit me. I drove it home. I think I put 10 miles on it. I'm like, this thing's horrible.
You got a hefty hoofer, so you upgraded
Yeah.
your floorboards. What'd you get? Are they
Well,
Harley Davidsons?
Well,
or?
yeah. So, but first I called Brian Klock. I'm like, hey, you got a windshield for this thing? I go, this windshield's the biggest piece of shit I've ever had on a motorcycle.
The stock one.
And Brian's like, it'll be in the mail. You'll have it in like 3 days. Just put it on. You'll see.
Yeah.
And
Tag me in a couple of videos.
No bullshit. It's cat's meow. It's literally changes the whole motorcycle.
Klock Werks windshield.
Klock Werks windshield. It's a 10-inch. I think it's a 10-inch that he sent me.
Okay.
It's on these two bikes. This guy's really short, so he could barely see over the dash. So I don't think he has a problem with the stock one.
You stuck with the stock.
Yeah.
Now what's going on here?
So all three bikes got the Kraus Wolf kit. It's called a Wolf 1 kit. All three bikes got it with the triple clamp. So it's just a really clean setup. Gets rid of all that plastic shit. It's got a place to hold your little clips if you got long hair, or your woman needs a place to put them.
Hey, if you're Jason Momoa.
If you're Jason Momoa's brother, it's all good. The ergonomics of the Kraus kit is unbelievable. Just order it.
They make some really good stuff.
Take my word for it. Just order it, bolt it on, and you will not regret it. Unless you're looking for some kind of like ape hangers or some shit. But wrong bike. This is a sport bike now.
By the way, we're going to put the links to all these products, the referral links, in the caption. So if you want to buy the Kraus, you want to get the Klock Werks, you want to get the Ohlins, about 95% of these products Mickey's talking about, the links are going to be in there for Lifestyle Cycles.
Yeah.
And what's your code again? Just remind people.
MCM1.
MCM1. So if you're buying it and you're checking out, make sure you add MCM1 so you can help support Mickey's shop.
Or my bad habit. Motorcycles.
You need
are a
another
bad
one.
habit.
You need another one.
Motorcycles are a bad habit.
You need a white one, dude.
But you know what? Nobody needs this shit, but it sure is fun to own.
All right, so let's talk about the front end. I know this is kind of a special
So all
system.
three bikes have a Ohlins inverted front end. All the Kraus bolt-on components for it. Their stuff literally bolts on. There is no modifying, cutting, welding. There's a few bits that we use, like for the brake lines. We make our own brake lines in here in-house, but we use like the holder behind the triple clamps off of a 2015. And it's the cleanest setup. It takes the original one off, puts a factory Harley one on, but it's off of a 15, and it holds the lines just cleaner than can be. I'm a big fan of it. Needs to look like stock, or you haven't molested it. It needs to look good when you do it. So that was one of the little details. But like the Kraus, if you do the inverted front end, we can actually get you the complete inverted front end, and you can get them in black too. But who would not want liquid gold?
Yeah.
Black. You might as well get your spray paint can on and just paint the legs.
It looks really bitchin'.
Yeah, and it is night and day to ride. I know it's a big chunk of change when you first buy it, but as soon as you ride it, you'll never own another one without it. That's how good it is.
And so what's your review on your own build, Mickey?
I can tell you I have 225 CVO STs. One has got stock suspension on it. One has got this. When you trade the motorcycles, it's a step above. And you don't even have to be a fancy rider. I've got guys that are not big, fast guys that have bought the stuff and put them on their bikes.
Yeah.
And they put it on all their bikes after the first one they do.
Right.
That's how good it is.
I was talking to the guys over at Ohlins, and they were saying, you know, they used to use the word race a lot in their suspension with their marketing and whatnot, and they went away from that because it's meant for everyone, like you were just saying.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's perfect for if you're going to go race around Laguna Seca, but it's also great for
go to a local bar and hang out, have a bunch of cocktails.
Riding down PCH or, you know, whatever your local ride is.
No, I can tell you it's a total step above. The brakes that are on all three of these bikes, they're not your normal 108 millimeter monoblock type brake. They are all GP4As. They're the top of the line Brembo. Two of the bikes have 13 millimeter rotors that are narrow swept for lighterness, and they're bigger so they cool off more. And they're also, two of the bikes are running the Brembo race brake pads, which are unbelievable.
So it stops on a dime.
It stops on a dime, yeah. There's no such thing as a rear brake pedal. So if you're concerned about all that crap being on the way of your knee, you know, don't worry about it because you're never going to touch the rear brake anyways.
I love it. Now, the GP front Brembo brake, that's a special order item, right?
I carry those in-house.
Okay.
We carry the triple clamps in-house. The fork legs we order as they come in. They're pretty expensive. There's a couple different styles to them. There's super bike, there's street bikes, there's a couple different styles. It just kind of depends on the budget.
Okay.
Kraus sells a complete kit that works phenomenal.
Highly recommend Kraus.
Highly recommend the Kraus. You can buy the kit. I think it's only like $4,500 or something like that.
Yeah.
And it comes with everything but the bars. Then you put the Wolf top kit on it, and don't buy their brakes. Buy better brakes. You know, you can buy them if you want to go cheap, but if you're going to spend this money and do it, put the best of the best on. And you can always move it to your next bike.
Yep.
So don't throw away your parts. You can always just take them off, put them on your next bike.
Yep.
And matter of fact, the forks that are on my bike came off of my 2015. And I just retrofitted all the parts to make it fit onto the 25.
And the thing handles like a bat out of hell.
It does. It really does. Handles like my MT10, and it's got the horsepower of my GSX-R. It's unreal to ride.
And that's the Mickey Cohen Motorsports.
Yeah, for all you haters who
25.
think your ZX10 can kick a Harley's ass,
Think
ain't gonna
again.
happen. Think again.
Hell yeah, Mickey. Well, so you guys heard it here. This is the Mickey Cohen special. And you can find all the links to most of those products in the link below, or you can call Mickey and get the special order items.
Yeah. And it'll help me out if you go to MCM1.
MCM1 Lifestyle Cycles.
Yep.